Hey guys, it's Mr. Gold here. Pardon my shortened voice. I have a sore throat and I'm losing my voice. So bear with me. I just wanted to give you guys a very quick how-to with Desmos. It says demos.com here on the worksheet. It's actually Desmos, and if you go up, it says Desmos there. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to desmos.com, and I'm going to go ahead and type it in for you here just so you can see desmos.com, and you're going to click Start Graphing. As soon as you click Start Graphing, this is what's going to come up. Some key features that you need to see include this little keyboard down here. So I click the keyboard, and this is what comes up. So for example 1, I put x squared plus 4x plus 4. So that is the graph that we're looking for you to sketch, okay? That is exactly what it should look like for example 1. So what do I do to get a table? I go to this settings button here where it says edit list, and I click it. And you'll see this little table, convert to table. So when you click that, it's gonna give me -2 to 2. So if you look at the sheet, it gives me -4 to 4. How am I going to figure out the rest of those, right? I can do -2 through 2 and fill in the side, but what am I going to do? So all you have to do on Desmos is you're going to go here, click in, and change that number to a -4. And that will give you your output. Same thing here, change that to -3. So that's going to give you all the numbers that you need. You can change any of them that you want. You can change them back. And then when you're done, you can exit out, or you can just add the table itself, things like that. If you want to, if we're going to go table to graph, you could add a table. But for now, what I would do is just finish it and then exit out and start again. Or if you see there's a little number 2, hold on, I'm trying to move you guys over there. There's a little number 2 right here, and that'll give you the next. You can also do them next, but what you don't want is to see all the graphs at once. You can hide the graphs if you want to. So let's just say I have X and I click that button, it'll get rid of it, right? So that's how to do it. If you have any questions, please feel free to come to office hours. Mr. Gold does Monday, Wednesday, 2:30 to 3. Ms. Coles does from 1 to 2 on Mondays and Wednesdays. If you have any questions, just let us know. Otherwise, Gold out.